Well, welcome back, everyone. It's been an exciting week in markets already, and it's just Tuesday. Well, for those of you that happen to have come and joined us at that TRP class that we did over the weekend, well, today was a day we put more of it in action. Let me just take you down right to some charts and, of course, my live ES Dome that's still ticking away at this moment in time. Got to do some live trading in front of active trader room members again today. Did a couple of different types of trades. Did an overnight swing. Took one on yesterday, held it overnight and took some profits on it earlier this morning, and did some long side trading on the ES 1-2 contract size. And you can see a gross of about $300 there on this particular dome. What I want to share with you, though, is the insights that drove the decisions, making this a day that was a great day for traders overall. And, of course, a profitable day overall for me. So I'm going to take you over to the two types of trades that I did. And again, past performance is no indication of future results nor track record in the past. This is higher risk, and of course, consult with your registered financial advisor before making any trading decisions. So I was able to tolerate the risk of the move, and I was able to lower the risk of making trades today using objective tools to mitigate some of that. Now, we got a couple of day trades, 1 or 2 contract size, and of course, yesterday, I took on a lot of a product called HSU. Effectively, it's a SPY, and was able to sell it today, making about $750 Canadian, roughly $550 US equivalent, for a gross on the day roughly of about $850 USD. Now, the trades taken were driven by objective signals that we taught a lot about on the Saturday class that just passed, and in prior classes. Of course, you've heard Rob teach. He's the one who's developed these tools, and he's used them in competitions. These are competition tested and competition winning tools. So effectively what I want to do is walk you through the posture in the market that allowed me to take some trades today, and what does that mean as we move forward. You can see on the very left-hand side of your screen, you've got the SPY, the market. You've got a big green candle breaking up above the top of the channel and closing above. You've also seen in the day prior, i.e. yesterday, we got a cyan dot underneath the daily candle, and it grabbed a hold of the bottom of the channel. So we're in the lower half of the channel. The speed lines were rising, and if you look down at the subchart indicator, we had a counterintuitive, negative momentum shift the day prior to the TRP buy on chart, and on the day of, that flipped around. And you can see the momentum lines spreading from the signal line and rising. Now, this is a target that's been on chart since yesterday's close, and we are still sitting with an open target 1 of $451 and change. Is it a likelier outcome that we continue? Well, remember when we were talking about the sell signals and the chop in the channel, 2 bars below, having a counter trend bounce a couple Fridays ago and pushing up? The whole goal of that counter trend bounce was to test the channel and see if it can grab a hold of it. That happened yesterday. The 4-hour chart, as you can see very clearly here, pushed into the channel, pushed back down over there. This was on the 24th. We then turned up, and again yesterday, got a buy signal, held the bottom of the channel, and today followed through with a positive momentum dot. The 1-hour chart, which really gives me a view of the next 3 to 6 hours, was where we were living in today's market. And as you can tell, to start off the day, positive move for the first bar, continuation above the midline target, riding the speed lines, but the air in between the speed lines started to compress. The move was slowing down. However, the momentum remains intact. Now, the signal to take on the long on the 1-hour chart, of course, happened down over here. I want to make sure that you see that. That was on the 25th, and has been in play for quite some time now, a few days. The goal at this stage for my trading using these incredibly powerful, simple to understand tools is to follow through with this move and know when it's likely to stall out, pause, continue again, or give me a trend reversal. At this stage, I still have the 4-hour channel sloping down turning sideways, similar on the daily, but the 1 hour channel is clearly sloping up. So how the market left it today was optimistic enough. Is it going to be enough to create this runaway breakout and continue on a 1 hour chart? Is it going to be enough to take us up to the target 2 on the 4 hour chart? Can we retrace effectively back to the highs? Now, you may have heard Rob talk a little bit about this is a big distribution bar and it's going to be hard to get through. Wholly agree with that. The idea would be rise up on the existing signals, likely face resistance in the 452 to 450, high 451 area, and then very likely either a minor pullback that moves us into a consolidation phase, readying to go again, or a trend reversal. Which of the two is more likely when you put the bigger picture on the screen? A trend reversal back down or a continuation after a consolidation? It's likely the latter. Now, can't tell you that that's what will happen. Can tell you that I'm looking for follow through on long side trades into the jobs print from the private payroll company ADP tomorrow morning, and then of course assess live in market. I've got some great news for those of you that are TRP students listening in, new ones that have joined us as of last Saturday, this past Saturday, and of course our long-standing TRP student family. I'm going to be doing a 4-hour dedicated educational class on the TRP toolkit on techniques for setups, multi-time frame setups, scanners, and a whole bunch more this coming Saturday from 10 a.m. Eastern Time to 2 p.m. Eastern Time. And I couldn't be more excited to be doing that and continuing the journey with new and existing members that have the TRP toolkit on their side. Thank you for watching the video. Have an incredible rest of your day, and we'll see you at the next one. Bye for now.